Okay. Once again, it is good evening from Sukanti. I am Sukanti here. So I'll welcome you to this wonderful demo session. Okay. Actually, our company name is Arjwin Abacus. We are located in Tirupur, that is Tamil Nadu. Okay. Here we have our school program, center program, and we supply materials. What are all the materials related to Abacus program? Everything we supply from here. Okay, that is books, Abacus tool, master Abacus, then bag, t-shirt. So everything, what are all the things you need for the Abacus class? Everything we supply, and we used to give training also. For the teachers, we used to give training. Okay, and this is our 20th year. Okay, we started in the year 2004. So this is our 20th year. So keep on, we are doing our service in this field. Okay, only we are specialized only in Abacus program. Right? Okay. I am Shukanti and I am taking classes here. So starting from 2004, I am taking classes. Till now, I am taking the classes for the students as well as for the teachers. So far, I have trained so many teachers. Okay. So the thing is, actually, before I started Abacus program, I took classes in school as a maths teacher. I was a maths teacher. I took classes in the schools. Okay. After that, I got training in Abacus field. I started taking this one. Okay. So various schools we are doing the program and teachers training also we are doing. Okay. Now, so you have some idea about Abacus, right? Anyway, let me say something about the Abacus program. Okay. Actually, this is the program for primary students. That is the age group of 5 to 12 years. Clear? So this is the program for 5 to 12 years. If you start at the age of 5, you can find a tremendous results on the children. Okay. So there definitely you can find a improved results or whatever it is. Okay. So that we can find in the age group of 5 to 12 years. And you know that during this age, the brain development will be more. Clear? And Abacus is purely a brain development program. Clear? Abacus. So actually, in general, Abacus is related with mathematics. Clear? So wherever you go, it is related with the mathematical program. Yes, it is mathematical program because through numbers we are teaching it, but primarily it is a brain development program. Okay. Through some practices, through numbers we are teaching it. So maths will be, they can perform maths very well. Okay. So whatever it may be. So whenever the parents ask you about Abacus program, you got to say Abacus is a brain development program. That is the first part. Okay. Through numbers we are teaching it. So it will be very useful for their maths class. Maths academic also will get improved. Okay. And another thing, concentration is getting improved. Speed. Okay. Speed will get increased. And they will do calculations very fast. Nowadays, everywhere, once the school program is over, they got to face the competitive exams. Right? So for competitive exams, what the calculation part they got to perform very well, right? Wherever you go, maths is very important. Calculation part is very important because competitive exams, everything, everywhere is there. So they need a speed, accuracy, concentration, everything we need. So for competitive exams, okay, that we give training during their early stage itself. Okay, whenever we train them earlier, that they can adapt, they can use that for till their age, till the end of their curriculum. Clear? That will be very useful for them, so that it will be the when they start the program at the early stage, that will be more beneficial. Clear? So in Abacus class, so we used to train them in different topics, that is concentration, how to improve their concentration power. Usually the concentration power of a child will be 1 minute. Slowly, so actually the starting time is less than 1 minute only. Okay, slowly, because the children know, so they can see here and there, they will get distracted. But here in the Abacus class, we used to train them to improve their concentration power. Okay, and speed. So every time we have a actually in our book we have a time limit for every page. Okay, that should be done within the time limit, so that the speed will get increased. Okay, and some sort of techniques we used to follow in the Abacus class that will improve their logical thinking, picture imagination. Okay, picture imagination, and pictographic memory, and concentration, speed, everything will be improved. Okay, so whenever a parent asks you what is the benefit of Abacus class, you got to explain in detail. Okay, not only for maths, they can improve their all-round academic performance. Okay, so in that way, in the class, we used to give some kind of training. Okay, so these are all the things you got to explain to the parents. Okay, so this is the benefit of the Abacus program. Okay, next, actually, what are all the skills we develop? That is the same I have given, we in a typical Abacus class, we used to train them with some sort of exercises. Okay, so that and that exercise will improve their speed, photographic memory, listening, concentration. Okay, everything will get improved. So by the way of giving more and more practice in the class. Okay, we have a defined program structure. Okay, so every class should be what are all the things we need to cover. Okay, everything will be given in the training session. So if you follow the same structure, you will get a result, very good result, amazing results in the students. Okay, even the parents will come and they will appreciate you. So if they appreciate, you will get more number of children also. Right. So in that way only our program is designed. Okay. So that and all will be there in the part of our training session also. So how to give everything, that is speed writing, how to show flashcards, everything will be there in our training session. Okay. Now, actually, you know that Abacus program, we have 8 levels. So in our curriculum, we have 8 levels of Abacus program, right? Okay, so in 8 levels, actually, I will explain you the teacher training program later, but the student program now, in student program, every level will take 3 months duration. Okay, students program will take 3 months, because if any parent is approaching you, first you got to explain about the Abacus program. Okay, later you got to explain about the duration of the time, duration of the level. So first you got to tell them 8 levels are there, totally 8 levels, and 3 months will be the duration for every level. Okay, 3 months, and weekly 2 hours program. It is weekly 2 hours. Okay, so in 3 months, totally you will get 12 classes, right? During the weekend, you must have it. So I'm telling you the regular program. So during the weekend, if you take 2 hours class, you are going to spend only 2 hours per child. Okay, so It will take 3 months to complete a program. One level. See, for all 8 levels, it will take 24 months, hardly 2 hours to complete the entire program. Okay, so these are all the things you got to convey to the parent. That's what I am telling you. First, you got to explain about the Abacus program, how it helps to the children. Okay, so it's a brain development. So all those things you got to explain later about the program structure. Okay, in program, actually there are 8 levels. Each level will take 3 months duration. Okay, so during the 3 months, every week we have a defined syllabus. So our books are designed in such a way, every week, what are all the things we need to teach? What are all the pages you got to give us a classwork, and what are all the pages to be covered as a homework? Everything is given clearly. Okay, and not only the book page. Okay, we must give some extra practice to the children to improve their performance, right? So not book is a part of the Abacus program. Okay, if you take a book, hardly you can spend 30 minutes for the book. But our program is 2 hours program, right? Every week we need to take 2 hours class. So rest of the 1.5 hours, we got to give them extra practice, right? So that and all, everything will be given clearly in our program. Time split up. Every 5 minutes, how to utilize, how to do all the practices, what all the practices we need to take, what all the portions we need to cover, how to improve the speed, how to improve the performance of the child. Everything will be given clearly. Okay, so 2 hours program, during the training session, we used to send you the PDF to you, how to divide the time, and even this is 2 hours program. Even if you take an online program also, so how to divide the program, everything will be given in the training session. Clear? So these are all the things we need to keep in mind. So how to take the class and how to approach the children, how to approach the parents, how to take the class, how it should be interactive, how you got to make the children participate in the class. Okay, because every day if you take only book pages, they will find it little bit boring. It should be a creative one. It should be an interesting one. So for that purpose, what are all the things we need to cover? Everything will be given in the training session. Okay. So this is the three months program, and at the end of every level, training certificate, that is for the students. For the students, you got to give term completion certificate at the end of every level. Okay, level completion certificate will be given at the end of 8th level. At the end of 8th level, you need to provide a course completion certificate also. Okay, so every level, totally 8 levels. At the end of every level, one certificate will be given to the student. At the end of all 8 levels, one course completion certificate will be given to the student. This is the program structure. Okay, now that is students program. Now you are clear about the students program now. Let us come to teacher training. Okay, but teacher training concern. So actually we have same 8 levels. What you are going to teach to the students, the same will be here. Here we are also going to learn the same 8 levels. But at a stretch, you cannot take all 8 levels together. Clear? So we divide total training program into 2 phases, right? Phase 1 and phase 2. Clear? In phase 1, term 1 and 2 will be completed. Clear? Only 2 terms, 2 levels. Okay. The reason, first 2 levels will have all formula parts. So in Abacus, you have totally 34 formulas. Okay. So everything will be explained clearly so that you know how to take classes to the children. See, your training is totally different from student training. Student training, one level, 3 months duration. But ours is not like that. For teachers, it is not like that. Okay, so you have to be more clear with the formulas. Okay, so if you are thorough with the formula, then only you can apply that formula to various concepts. Okay, so in the first page, we have only formula part. Okay, that will be explained you clearly in detail. Okay, some other companies, they will give you concept-wise teaching only. Okay, that is not at all enough. You may not know how to handle multiplication or how to handle division, whatever it is, you may get some confusion. If it is in detail, you will be more clear. If you are more clear, you can take classes clearly. Clear? A teacher should be more clear. Whenever the student asks you the doubt, you should be a pakka teacher. Right? So that is the thing, no? In front of the children, you cannot blink, no? You cannot stand as it is. You got to explain everything in it. So in our program also, phase 1 training, so all the formulas will be explained clearly so that even in the during the session itself, what are the doubts the students will ask you, that we can discuss. Okay, if a student asks you any doubt, how to explain that? So everything will be discussed clearly. See, our training session will be live interactive session only. You can ask me the question. I'm going to take the class, so you can ask me any question. That is how to explain this formula, how to handle the children. Everything we can discuss. So everybody will get some sort of idea. Clear? So this is the thing. So in the first phase, level 1 and 2 only will be taken in detail. For that, usually we have weekend classes. Clear? Weekend only we have classes. Saturdays and Sundays we have classes. Okay. But now this is summer time. This is the right time. We can immediately start the class. For that purpose, we are planning to take the classes daily. Okay. Our regular program will be weekend program. If you have any doubt, you make a note. Finally, we have an interactive session. Okay. You can raise the question. I'll explain in detail. Okay. So please mute yourself. Okay. So phase 1 covers all the formula part in detail. And later after 3 months, only, we have phase 2 training. The reason of this time difference, so you have to take the class. Okay, once the phase 1 training is over, you are eligible to take the training to the students. Okay, you are eligible. You are a teacher, eligible teacher to take the class. So immediately you can start your classes. Okay, that will take 6 months duration. At least you need to complete one level to the children. If you complete one level to the children, then only you will be more clear about the formula. Okay, so you can easily understand phase 2 training clearly. Okay, because phase 2 covers level 3 to level 8. Okay, in that, it will not be in detail. It will be like concept-wise. Concept-wise, we will take. Everything will be explained clearly. But anyway, we used to take the classes like concept-wise. Unless otherwise you are thorough with the formula, you cannot take phase 2 training. Clear? You can take, but it will not be clear one. Okay, so first phase 1 training. Once phase 1 training is over, you start taking the class to the children. Okay, then once term 1, level 1 is over for the students. So that will take 3 months time, no? So 3 months time, you take the class to the children so that you will get more practice, okay, for the phase 1. Then after 3 months, you can join for phase 2 training. Clear? That will be easy for you. For your sake, I am telling you, okay, at the stage, if you take training, that will not be an ideal one. You cannot understand anything. Clear? So because already I have done classes for the so many batches. So this is the every time we used to follow the same structure. Only first phase 1 training. Once it is completed after 3 months, we will start with the phase 2 training. So you will get more confident. Clear? So this is the program structure we have. Okay. Now, instead of weekend training program, only one change. Now we are going to take the classes daily. Because of the summer season, immediately you can, once the training is over, you can immediately start the classes also. In the coming May month, you can start your class. So even within a month, you can complete a phase 1 training for the students also. That how to complete, I will explain in the training session. Okay, that program structure I will give you in the training session. Clear? So this is the teacher training program, phase 1 and phase 2. Why it is 2 phases?
Please start the session.
Hello? Yeah. Okay, next we'll shall we have a demo now? I'll show you how to give demo, because even for the students, you need to provide a demo, right? That a quick demo we shall have right now. Okay, let us start here. So can you see my teaching kit? Okay, bigger one. Teaching tool, Master Abacus. This is your Master Abacus. Okay, if you have a Master Abacus and a whiteboard and a what you have a mobile and tripod is enough to take a online class. Okay, one master tool, one whiteboard and a tripod with your mobile. These 4 items you need to take online class. Clear? With a small investment, you can earn more out of it. Okay, now let us start a demo. Okay, this is Abacus. In short, I'll give you, but in a training session, I'll explain in detail. Okay, so this is Abacus. Okay, so these are called beads. The yellow color parts are beads. Okay, so now we have a pointers here in the, here you have a pointers, no? Black color pointers are there. Okay, so that pointers are called units pointer. Okay, pointers are there. That will be referred as a units by here. The middle one, totally 5 pointers are given. So in your Abacus tool also. Okay, in your tool also, that is student tool also. This is your student tool. Okay, so here also you have a 5 pointers. Okay, pointers will be there. Okay, so the middle one, I am taking the third pointer. Okay, that is the middle one. Okay, that is called units rad. Units point. So you know that is in place value we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, right? Okay. The same way, this is our ones place. Units point is our ones place. That is third point. Here we have a third point. 5 points are there. The middle one is called units place or ones place. Okay. Now I'm going to take the value of the beads. I'm going to tell you value of the beads. So take only one bead. Okay. So when you take one bead and when it touches the point, it is +1 addition. Okay. When it touches the point, it is +1. And If I take another one bead, so now two beads are touching the point. Okay, so this is called 2 plus 2. If I take 2 and when it touches the point, it is plus addition. Okay, then if I am taking another one bead and again it is 3 beads are touching the point, it is plus 3. Clear? And another one bead plus 4. So here in the lower part, we have 4 beads. Each bead has the value 1. Keep in mind, each bead has the value 1. Okay, so when I am taking one bead and when it touches the point, it is addition. Clear? Plus 1. Then if I take another one bead, it is plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. This is addition, right? For subtraction. See, if I remove, if I take away from the point, okay, this is minus 1, subtraction. If I remove, if the beads are away from the point, if it moves away from the point, it is subtraction. Minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay, addition, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. Right? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Just you are moving the bead up and down. Addition, we need to take up. For subtraction, we need to move down. Clear? So this is 1 to 4 we have. And the same pointer place, we have one upper bead. This is 5. Only one bead is there, but its value is 5. Clear? This is when it touches the point, it is addition plus 5. Okay, only one bead is here. Okay, but it touches the point here. When it touches the point, it is plus 5. When it is moved away from the point, it is minus 5. Clear? Plus 1, minus 1. Plus 5, minus 5. When it touches the point, addition. When it moves away from the point, it is subtraction. Clear? So, you know the value now. 1, 2, 3, 4. And after that, one upper bead is 5. Clear? And if I take one upper bead and one lower bead, it is 6. 5 and 6. Then 7, 8, 9. All together, it is touching the point. So it is plus 9. Okay, now it is closing. They are joining together. All the beads are together. Okay, that is plus 9. If I remove like this, it is minus 9. Okay, plus 6, minus 6. If I join, it is plus. If I remove, it is minus. Okay, simple. It is very simple. You can easily take the students. Okay, you can easily teach to the students. Now let us take one sum. Okay, plus 1, plus 2, plus 5, minus 3. Right. So you know the value. You know the base value for these numbers. Okay, 1 plus 1. So these numbers are plus. In addition, here we have subtraction. Okay, so plus 1, take only one bead. So if it touches the point, it gets value 1. If I take plus 2, take 2 beads. Okay, 2. It is 2, no? Take 2 beads, join, touch the point. So it is plus 2. It is addition. Now take plus 5, upper bead, bring down. It touches the point, it gets value plus 5. Now finally we have minus 3, means you got to remove the beads. So finally we have 5. That is the answer here. Okay, so it's very simple. You can easily show a demo to the students. Okay, so simple sum. So what are the things? You can ask them to keep the beads and let them say the answer. Okay, it should be an interactive session only. Whenever you take demo, it should be an interactive session only. Okay, so this is a thing. So This I told you, no, units place. Very next. Actually, in the place values, we used to write ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. In reverse, we used to write in reverse, no? The same way, this is units rad. Okay, next rad, full, it is tens rad. Then it is hundredth rad. Then thousandth rad. Then 10,000. Okay, lakhs, 10 lakhs, like that. Towards left side, you'll get the place values. Every rad will denote a place, one place. Okay, one rad is one place. This is units rad, tens rad, hundredth place rad, thousandth place rad. Okay, so now if you take two bits here, so this is in tens place, we have 2 bits, and in units rad, we have 2 bits, 2. If you take 2, it is 22. Right? So in this way only we need to give demo to the students. Addition and subtraction, very easy. Okay, now this is using Abacus 2. Okay, after that, after some time, we used to train them with mental arithmetic. Okay, now usually what will we do? If any number is here, 1 in the mind, 2 in the fingers, after 1, 2, 3. That is a routine, regular method of calculation. But here in the Abacus class, now, see, just imagine this 2. Okay, I'll give you the sum, so just give me the answer. Mental arithmetic, let us do. Okay, let us try with the mental arithmetic. Now, you know, so just imagine the tool and take 5. 5. Where is 5? Upper beat. Just you bring down 5. Take 4. Okay. Now minus 2. Bring 2 beats down. Can you say the answer now?
7.
7. Just bring down 5. That's very nice. You just try. It's very simple. Okay. 5. You are taking 5. First 5. Then 4. That gives you 9. If you bring down 2 beats, the remaining will be 7. They can easily imagine. Okay, now shall we try one more sum? Take plus 1. Only one bit from the lower part and bring plus 5. Bring down plus 5. What is the answer?
6.
6.
6.
Okay. Yeah, take 3. Now take 3 plus 5.
8, ma'am.
8. Usually what will the children do? 3 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is normal children will do. If a child is learning abacus, they can easily do 3 up, 5 down, fraction of second, they will give you the answer as 8. 3, 5, 8. That is the difference. Okay, so step by step, we train them with the addition, subtraction, mental arithmetic, multiplication, division. Okay, division we have, and decimals we have, squares, square roots, board mass, integers. So these are all the various topics we are going to cover in level wise. Okay, so the first 2 levels will be only with the addition and subtraction all together with all the formulas. It is combined with all the formulas. And later it will be mental arithmetic, multiplication, division. Even in the multiplication, single digit multiplication, double digit multiplication, everything will be there. Okay. Even in division, single digit, double digit, even triple digit also, division is there. And decimals is there. And board mass, integers they have. Okay. Negative concept. That is in integers, what we are going to use, negative concept, borrowing concept, everything step by step we used to teach them. Okay, now you take your note. I told you to take your note, no? Now I am going to give you a speed writing. You try now. Okay, I am going to give you 1 minute time. Okay, 1 minute time I will give you. You write and tell me how many number of times you can complete. Okay, so the numbers should be, so it should be written like this. Okay, in sleeping line, that is horizontal line only, not in vertical line. Okay, now I'm going to write some numbers here. The same order you got to write. Clear? 4, 9, 3, 2, 1, 5, 6, 4, 8, 9, 0. Okay, so this order you write one time in the note. 4, 9, 3, 2, 1, 5, 6, 4, 8, 9, 0. Right. Now I'm going to give you 1 minute time. Okay, 1 minute time. It should be repeated again and again. Till 1 minute, you got to write again and again. At the end of 1 minute, let us count how many number of times you can complete. Okay, are you ready? I'm going to set the timer now. I'm having a stopwatch in my hand. Are you ready? Start. Stop writing. Can you tell me how many times can you complete?
12, ma'am.
12 times.
13, ma'am.
That's nice.
Five.
So the
12,
same number,
13.
no? Same number, same order, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. 14 times in 1 minute is nice. It is the maximum speed. Okay. For the students, now we are elders, so we can able to complete within a step. In the first time itself, we can able to complete. But the children, some elder children, they can perform. Otherwise, they will start with the 5 or 6 times. They will complete only with the 5 or 6 times. Later, they will reach. Actually, the normally it will be 14 times is good. Okay. Now try with another speed writing in left hand. Write using your left hand. Clear? So far you have done in right hand that we most probably we are using. But now try with your left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. So now it is in order. Okay. Now try with your left hand. Okay. Same 1 minute time and tell me your experience. Okay. Are you ready? Start. Please try it with your left hand. Please stop writing. Can you tell me how is it easy for you?
7, ma'am.
7.
7.
Is it easy for you to write?
No, ma'am.
No, it's
Okay.
difficult.
Not difficult.
Little
ma'am.
we find difficult, right?
Yeah,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So this practice, these are all the some practice we used to give in the class. Okay. So that what will happen? So we used to give training in both hands. Usually in Abacus tool also, they do all the calculation using their both hands. Okay. That will stimulate their both brain. Okay. Most probably we use our right hand that stimulate our left brain. We have a brain that is divided into two parts, left and right brain, right? So whenever you use your right hand, your left brain is stimulated. You are giving more and more work only in the right hand. So your left brain will be stimulated. When you give practice to write in the left hand, your right brain will be stimulated. Okay, so the output will be more. If both brain works, so they have a separate function. Left brains have some activity and right brain performs some activity. Now we are by giving practice through our fingers, both brain is stimulated. So the result will be more. Okay, these are some practices we used to give in the class. Okay, and I'll show you the flashcards now. Okay, you tell me the answer. Just 1 second. Usually the flashcard will be just for 1 second. That will improve their pictographic image. Okay, are you ready now?
7.
Can you say the answer for this one?
7.
7, ma'am.
7.
7.
Okay.
5.
5.
5.
5.
8. 8.
8.
8.
10.
10. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. 6.
6.
6.
9.
9.
9.
9. Okay.
11.
25.
11.
15.
15. 15.
15.
15.
Sorry.
Yes, 15.
15.
15.
15.
31.
31.
31. Okay. So like this, we have cards up to 100 numbers. Okay. To start with. In the initial stage, we have numbers up to 100. So this is
100.
100.
100.
Okay. There are 3 rod. 1th rod, 10th rod, 100th rod.
100.
In 100th rod, we have 1 bit. So it is 100.
Yes.
Okay. Actually, the time will be just you got to show like this. Okay. Now I show you slowly, but it should be just a fraction of second. You got to show the card.
31.
And, right. So
Yes.
in this way only you got to show the card.
161.
165.
Well tried. Well tried. 1.
165.
100.
Yes. It's very easy only. Okay. Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
99.
99.
99. Okay, that's nice. Very nice. So like this only we used to do. See, for multiplication and division also, we have a card like this. Okay. See, 25 on the top and 5, fifth table. So which
120.
number we need to multiply?
125.
So this is the answer, Kana. This is the
5
answer.
5 sir.
Okay, ma'am.
Five.
Okay. 5 5, sir.
5 5 sir. 25.
Okay.
Okay, this is multiplication. And this we can use for division also. 25 divided by 5,
5.
you'll get 5.
5.
Same. One card for multiplication as well as division. Okay. See here.
8.
8.
8. Okay. So everything will be there in the class. Every session, every level we have one calculations, one topic we will take. So in detailed manner, we will have a training session. Okay. Now, if you have any doubt, you ask me, I'll explain.
Ma'am,
Yes.
what is the correct age for level 1 and 2, ma'am? Because some students are they are interested to learn abacus in their third or fourth standard, right? For
Yeah.
them, can we start with the first level or else we need to move on to the next level?
No, ma. Whatever may be the age group, you got to start from the level 1 only.
Level 1.
The
Okay, ma'am.
reason in level
They
1
need to know the
only,
basic thing.
basic addition. They should know how to handle the abacus too. So that
Yeah.
will be
Okay.
taught in first level only. So
Okay,
age is
ma'am.
not a problem. You got to start from level 1. See,
Okay.
you can divide into two categories, less than 7 years and 7 and above. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Less than 7
Okay.
years, you have a junior program. You have junior
Okay.
program, same concept, but the thing is with a little less difficulty level.
Look. Okay.
Okay, difficulty level will be less. And
Okay.
for the above 7 years old kids, you can start with the regular program.
Okay, ma'am.
But the
Thank
level
you.
will be same, concept will be same.
Concept will be same. Okay, ma'am. Sure.
So separate book, we also have separate book for junior category and for the
Okay.
senior. Okay, I'll show you the books. Okay, see, listen. These are all the 8 level books I have. This is for level 1. Okay, level 1, there are 2 books. It is A4 size book. Okay, 48 pages. Inner pages are 48. Totally 96 pages, both books together. Okay, there are 2 books for level 1. And this is for level 2. Okay, level 2 books are here. See, another thing, our company name is not printed, not at all printed anywhere else in our book. Okay, the thing is, you are going to take training with us. Okay, it is not compulsory. You got to do in our brand name. It is not compulsory. You got to do in our brand name. Clear? You may take the books alone, and once the training is over, you may take the books alone and you can do in your own brand name itself. Okay, we have 2 options. One is either you can join in our brand name. So for that, no franchisee fee. Only training you are going to take and you are going to take the material. Material means this is compulsory for all the students, right? Books and tools. This you are going to take. Okay, either you can do in our brand name. So if you do in our brand name, we will give you all the things, that is materials and certificate also, question paper certificate, everything will be given to you in our brand name. So this is the student certificate. Can you see the certificate?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is for students. Okay, level completion certificate. So your academy name will be printed here. Okay, your academy name will be printed here. And you got to put your signature here. But the brand name will be ours. Okay, your academy name you can print. So that also we can print and give you. Okay, academy name we can print here. And your signature, you got to fix a seal here. That's it. If you do in our brand name, this will be provided to you. Okay. And for course completion, this is the certificate. This is for course completion. After completion of all 8 levels. This is for every level. This is for at the end of 8th level. Clear? So this 2 certificate for students. And for you, for the teachers. Okay. For the teachers, this is certificate of completion. Once phase 1 training is over, once phase 1 training is over, you will be given a digital certificate. Clear? Once all 8 levels over, this certificate will be sent to you. Okay, see here, with your photo, okay, and with our brand name, and we have all these awards. That is world record, we achieved world record, Asian record, Indian record, and Tamilian Book of Records, and we got this certification also, National Skill India Mission, NSIM certificate. That is, we are authorized skill training and testing center for Abacus. Okay, this is government approved institution. From there, we got authorization to issue. That is, we are the authorized training and testing center for Abacus. Okay, all these emblems will be printed in our certificate, and we are ISO certified also. Okay, all these emblems will be printed in our certificate, that if you do in our brand name. Okay, and another thing is, if you don't want do in our brand name, just you take the material. Okay, that is books and Abacus tool, do in your brand name. You can give certificate like this. You can provide certificate to the student, but in your brand name you got to give. Okay, so the extra credentials will not be there. That is the difference. Okay, it is your choice. It is not compulsory, you got to do in our practice. So only the training part is ours. So that training part I will give you in detailed manner, so that you will not get any doubt in future. Okay, for that I can give you assurance. But the rest of the thing, it's your choice. You may do in our brand name, or else not at all a problem. Take a material, or you can buy material from some other place also. It is not at all a problem. We don't compel anyone to join in our brand name. Okay, because we have our own structure. We never lose anything. Okay, it should be a proper trainer only. We don't want to lose our fame and name. So we never compel anybody else. Okay, if you are well and good, you can join with us. We will provide you, we will support you. Or it's well and good, you can do in your brand name. Okay, but for both the cases, we will support you. Whenever you have doubt, you can ask me. Definitely, I'll help you. Whenever you have any doubt in the concept or anything else, that and all I'll give you. So in that I can give you assurance. Okay. So totally 8 level books we have. So second level, third level, then fourth level. This is for fourth level, fifth level, every level 2 books. Okay. Sixth level, 7 and 8. Okay. This is a regular program book. And now I'll show you the junior program. So this same 2 books only for junior program also. 2 books, level 1. And actually the thing is, when junior program, no, if you start with a junior program, 1 point from 4th level onwards, you got to take the regular program. Okay, starting only, they will start at the early stage. So when they come for 4th level, they will be more familiar with the concept and everything. You can join with the regular program from 4th level onwards. Okay, so junior, level 1, level 2, level 3. After that, you can combine with the 4th level. 1 extra level will be there in junior program. Okay, junior, level 1, level 2, level 3. After that, direct fourth level with the regular program. Okay, what we used to learn in 1 to 3 regular program book, that will be divided into 4 for the convenience of the children. Okay, so but all the concepts will be covered in that, and directly they will be eligible to take fourth level. Fourth level. Okay, now it is clear.
Yes, clear, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, any other doubt? Okay, now I'll tell you the fees for the course. Okay, that is the main thing. No? Okay, now we have all 8 levels together. Okay, so the fees for all 8 levels will be 8,000. Okay, now it is divided into 2 phases. Okay, phase 1 and phase 2. Okay, for the phase 1, if you want to take phase 1 training alone, clear? So you need to pay only 3,000. Okay, for the phase 2, later when you join for phase 2, you can take remaining 5,000, and that time you can pay the amount when you take phase 2 training. Okay, so it is 2 installments. Phase 1 is 3,000 and for phase 2 it is 5,000. Okay, that is one option. Suppose if you are ready to pay all 8,000 together, that is for both phases, extra discount of 1,000 rupees, you can pay only 7,000 for both phases. Instead of 8, you can pay only 7,000. Okay, in that you will get all 8 level books one set and a Abacus tool also. Okay, is it clear? Phase 1, 3,000. So phase 1, if you want to pay separately, phase 1, 3,000. Phase 2, 5,000. So together for both phases, if you are ready to pay, you will get another discount. So at 7,000 only. Okay, if you pay together, you will get all 8 level books one set fully. Otherwise, for the phase 1, you will get 1 and 2 book, and when you pay phase 2, remaining books. Okay, so if you are ready to pay 3,000, you will be given phase 1 training kit only. Later, when you pay second phase, that time we will send you the remaining books, 3 to 8 level books. Or else, if you are ready to pay all together, you will get an extra discount of 1,000 and all materials, that is 1 to 8 materials also. Okay, this is the total investment you are going to have, you are going to put in that. Okay, but you can earn per level, per student 3,000. You can charge 3,000. This 3,000, if you take class to one child, you can easily earn out of it. Okay, your total investment will be only 7,000, but for all 8 levels, you can earn 24,000 per child. I'm telling you, per child, weekly you are going to spend only 2 hours. Right? You are going to spend 2 hours per child. Okay. So 8 levels, if you take, you can earn 24,000. Even in the summer, if you are planning to start in the summer, within a month, if you take for 10 students, okay, the same cost will not be changed. Same 3,000 per student. If you take for 10 students, you can earn 30,000 within a month. You are going to spend only either 3,000 or 7,000. It is up to your choice. Clear? If you are taking to one child, you can get back your amount. The rest of the things are what you learn, that is your investment. It is one-time investment. You can earn lifelong. Okay, either it may be a center program, or else once you are confident, you can go with a school program. You can start with a school program. Okay, so there is a vast scope for Abacus program everywhere. Nowadays, parents are well known about the Abacus program. Okay, so you can easily earn out of it. It should not be wasted. Okay, 3,000 you are going to invest, you will get within a child. If you take class to one child, you can earn that money. This is a thing. That's all from my side. Now it's in your hand. You got to take the decision. Okay. If you are interested, you just ping me. I'll give you what are link for the registration link and payment link I'll send to you. We are planning to start the classes from 25th onwards, right? 25th April, we are planning to start within 10 days. We can complete the program, phase 1 training. Immediately, you start your classes in the month of May itself. Okay, we have summer month, no, May and June. Some schools, they will open in the month of June 15th only. So you have enough time to complete one level during the summer time. Okay, so immediately you can earn out of it. Yeah. That's all from my side. Okay. Do you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Hope we all will meet in the class.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you
Yes,
so
ma'am.
much.
Sure, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.